What's up guys, Ayolabi Martins here, and in case you didn't already know, Apple just had their September event and they announced a few things. New iPads, new watches, and that was it. So due to the ongoing pandemic, most of us already knew the iPhone 12 lineup will either be announced next month or early on in November. Despite this, what I do have for you today are 5 new additions to the Apple Watch Series 6. So far, there haven't been any new colors for the watch bands, but what we do have are new watch colors. Apple have announced the product red, graphite, blue, and gold. And in case you were wondering, the blue is writing on the wall for a new color option that might be coming to the iPhone 12s. On the inside of the new Apple Watch, Apple have opted for a new dual-core S6 chip. This design takes after the A13 Bionic chips in their latest iPhones. So, indubitably, with these newer chips, we should expect improved efficiency. Of course, that is what we got. This new chip has made the watch snappier, and because of its shortened animations, its response time to user input has quickened as well. The improved efficiency of this chip also allowed manufacturers to crank up the always-on display to be twice as bright. This is a big plus, considering it makes the watch a lot more usable in outdoor situations. As usual, we have a new medical feature on the watch, and this year it's an oxygen level meter. So it pretty much measures the saturation of oxygen in your blood using red, green, and infrared light sensors that measure the amount of light reflected back into the sensor. Just a disclaimer, this isn't medical grade. It's meant to give you a general idea of if your blood has enough oxygen or not. So the final addition is a solo loop band, and it's basically just a regular watch strap without a buckle. It removes the hassle of having to fit the strap every time you put it on. It also looks kind of sleek as well, but it's quite expensive. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe to help my channel out, and I'll catch you guys later. God bless.